Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in America. So this is not for my Nigerian people, this is for my American family, friends, customers, anybody that can see this video right now. So this is not a paid advert, okay? This is from a customer's review. So I've been craving Nigeria small chops since I've been to America, but I haven't even seen it. I've seen some spring rolls in Chinese market and all of that, but could that be in Naija gong? And then boom, I found this woman. She followed me on Instagram, and she liked almost all of my pictures on Instagram. And I'm like, talele monitoring spirits. And then boom, I checked her profile picture, and then I see all this food, all these small chops, and I'm like, okay, let me give it a try. And then I ordered a lot of small chops and meat pie, and me was disappointed. After then, I've ordered, I literally order every weekend. It's small chops, meat pie is very good for breakfast. Oh wow, really handy. You just grab and eat and rush to work. You can even warm it and eat in the car with water or coffee or whatever you want. So now I'm bringing this to you, and I'm confirming it to you that is 110% Nigeria taste. This is confirmed, I'm telling you. So I've ordered the samosa before, but my kids don't really like the samosa. I like the samosa, but you have to order at least 50 and up. So this is the spring roll. This spring roll is everything, guys. I promise you, it's very, very nice. It has Nigeria taste confirmed. So it's literally like, it's not like other people that watch on YouTube and just learn and start doing it. No, it looks like she's been doing it from Naija proper. Now this is the masterpiece. This meat pie is everything. I'm telling you, it has the crunch, it has the Nigeria taste, is everything. See, it's not like just flour that people just use. No, you see the crunch. I've been looking for Nigeria meat pie that is this crunch. I found one though at Forest Lane, but this one is different, I'm telling you. So the meat pie, you have to order 50 pieces and up, nothing less. Please do not call her if you're not ready to order 50 or more, please. So you can look for a friend or something. I promise you, if you order 50, you will even finish it within 1 week, because it's very good. And things like this is good for, in the morning, you're going to work, just have it in the morning and go, okay? So this is I just transferred it to this small pan. This is the pan these are the ones I'm going to be having now. This is the pan I used to get my order, and I just transferred it. I actually got for me and two of my sisters. They already picked their own up yesterday. So I'm going to be so if you need her number, basically just drop a comment and let me give you a number, because I want to be sure you are ordering more than 50. You don't call her if you are not ordering more than 50. You can mix, but it has to be 50 and up, okay? All right, thank you guys. Let me go have mine with, I don't really like coffee, but I think I'll have cold iced coffee this morning. All right, bye bye.